Welcome, I'm Jason with Cerakote. Today we will demonstrate the process to replace the agitator motor on your Cerakote robot. For this, you will need an adjustable wrench and a replacement motor.
Begin by depressing the orange collar while pulling on the agitator supply to remove. With a 1/2-inch wrench or adjustable, loosen the single bolt on the base of the clamp. Remove the motor. With both motors on a workbench, begin by removing the old agitator supply fitting. This will be reused. Upon removal, discard of any old thread tape and apply 1 to 2 wraps of new PTFE thread tape. Remove the factory plug from the supply side of the Binks motor. Hand thread the transferred over fitting and tighten with a wrench. Apply 1 to 2 wraps of thread tape to the new muffler that comes with the motor. Remove the factory plug and hand thread. And tighten with a wrench. After installing the fittings, reinstall the new motor onto the pressure pot lid. With a wrench or adjustable wrench, tighten the 1/2-inch bolt at the base of the clamp. Push to connect the agitator air feed and verify that it's tight.
And that concludes the replacement of the agitator motor. For more information, visit Cerakote.com.